Gift voucher scammers. They're so gullible. Let's have some fun.
Yeah, hi, I'm Steven. How are you doing today?
I got this card. I said I can get something.
All right. All right. Do you have a claim number, the release code number?
I think there's one on here, but it can't be read. It's hard to see it. Can we do it without the claim number?
Yes, verify me the claim number.
I can't see it. Can we do it without the claim number?
No.
Wow.
Thank you for calling. I believe that you have called to claim your gift card, correct?
I have. That's what I'm calling for. I got this card in the mail. It's a postcard.
Alright. Alright, confirm me the claim number.
Well, that's the thing. It looks like it fell on the ground and somebody stepped on it and ran over it with their car and got mud all over it. And it's ripped.
So you don't see the claim number properly?
No, I see that there's a 4 and a 5 and a 7, but I can't see the beginning and the end. And on the back, the ink, it says it says a number, but the ink is bad. It ran. The ink ran. Ink ran.
It will be on the bottom of your postcard, the claim number.
Yeah, I know. You can't see it. I fell on the ground and the mailman ran over it. You know, mailman.
Alright, help me with... No problem. Help me with help me with your first and your last name.
Yes, it's Rob Chasco.
And alright, so sir, congratulations. I can see that your number has been selected for the $100 gift card. So you're going to receive this gift card by this Friday morning, and it will be a prepaid Visa card. And this gift card will be shipped by UPS on your mailing address. And once you receive the gift card, you can start shopping with Walmart, Home Depot, Target, Best Buy. You can pay your bills by groceries and also use this gift card at gas stations and at dining, okay?
How much will it be?
This is a $100 prepaid Visa card, okay?
Oh, $100? Well, that's better than nothing.
Yeah.
I would have liked $200.
Alright.
Well,
No, it's $100 gift card. Alright. So right now I will ship this gift card on your mailing address within 2 business days. And I will activate this gift card under your name, and my job is to give you the new card. My job is to give you the confirmation number, okay?
Yeah, I hope you do your job good.
Alright, so right now I'm just gonna connect you on the verification line. So what you have to do, you just need to manage from your side only one-time shipping and handling fees of $2.95. So is it manageable to you?
Yeah, just take away the card.
Yeah, the thing is this card is pre-printed, so I will be not able to deduct any kind of money from that card, okay? You need to manage from your side, so is it manageable to you?
If you can't take it out, how will I be able to?
No problem. So right now I'm just gonna connect you on the verification line. So for the verification and in order to activate this gift card under your name, may I know which card you have with you? Is it a Visa or a MasterCard?
You said it was going to be a Visa that I'm getting, right?
No, for the verification, which card you have with you? Do you have Visa or MasterCard for the verification?
Oh, I have a MasterCard.
Alright, confirm me the expiration date. When does your card expire?
It expires 12/22.
Alright, and the numbers on the face of your card starting with the number 5.
Okay, it's 5, 1, 0, 7. Or is that a 1? I don't know. It's either a 7 or a 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Or is that a 7? The 1s and 7s look alike. I'm not sure. 8, 9, 0, 1, or 7, 3.
I will repeat the numbers back to you. Correct me if I go wrong. You said it's 5107, correct?
I said 5, 1, 0, 0, 7,
And what of
or maybe it's a 1, I can't tell for sure. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or maybe that's a 1 because the 1s and 7s look alike. 8, 9, 0, 1, or maybe that's a 7, 3.
stay online? Let me check.
Okay.
You are giving me one wrong number, sir.
Which one?
Can you please read the correct card numbers?
Okay.
Yes, I believe that. Yes, I believe that you said it's 5100 7234 5618 9013. Correct?
Well, I don't know. That might be right. But the 7s and the 1s look alike on this thing. They look identical. So I can't tell if it's 5, 1, or maybe that's a 7. So maybe try 7. 0, 0. And then the next digit is either a 1 or it's a 7. So you have to try it with both different digits. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 1. Try either both ways. 9, 0, 1, or 7, 3.
So it is 5100, and after that 7234 5618, and after that 901T is your correct card numbers. Okay.
It might be. You might have it right. I don't know. The ones, if it doesn't work, then replace the ones with 7s. With every different
So
possible,
do you have any,
possible
do you have
combination.
any other card? Stay online. Stay online.
Okay.
So do you have any other card?
Yeah, I got a car drive.
No, do you have any other card, like any other Visa or MasterCard apart from this card?
Yeah, I got a Toyota. It's a Toyota Corolla.
No. Do you have any any other card, any other Visa or MasterCard apart from this card?
Yeah, I've got a Master Toyota.
Yes, I got the correct card numbers of yours, and your card number is 5100, and after that 7234, and after that 5618, and after that 9013. Correct?
It might be. But the ones,
Alright, and
you might have to replace the 7s with 1s and the 1s with 7s. I can't tell which is which. You have to try them with every possible different combination.
so do you have any other card apart from this card?
Yeah, I've got a Toyota Corolla. It's black. I used to drive it in Texas.
No, sir. Do you have any other MasterCard or any other Visa card?
It's not a MasterCard. It's a Toyota Corolla.
No, I'm not asking for a car, sir. Your card, Master Plastic card.
Oh, I've got a bicycle, but I'm too old for that. That's why I drive a Toyota Corolla. I go to Texas. I knew that was coming. That was funny.
I'm dying. Sometimes it's hard not to laugh.
Hey, you see them like and subscribe buttons? Well, hit them or I'll fling monkey poop at you.